Pinila so video lang nalitum phana ki wan pi mate na ki than ponji la bangke diploma course handloom la pen textile technology la so admission na puthak si nalitum ma phana so video lo ethinia lam stamina than pachini ponik po nalitum na so youtube channel la long jong sina kamre milang ko lega ching hon pen nalitum subscribe ko la pen video nalitum share ponik ko tani non diploma course handloom la pen textile technology la so admission na puthak le lang polonang la pen chitha nang le non pathek pen lang pononang la pen che than pononang da is si notice ki pi pondo admission la puthak labang so admission la bangke handloom la pen textile la long non 2025 la pen 26 apartments tame admission cheng ponik bom la so puthak sinili nari tum phanang than pachini ponik po la pen course la bangke diploma course in handloom la pen textile technology la si labang so handloom la pen textile technology along diploma course apanjong sinali tum charlie dunjining hang polote kiching si details alam la bake kachini nang ji kinang sotlo lase lapen labang so handloom lapen textile labang ke isi central government institute penlos tame labang genon ke than ponji labang ke adak Assam government ahin pes dak than ponpo mate kipi ponlo lapen labangso admission endunji pulte labangso course upon admission endunji pulte nalitum Assam arlo kidoklung abang pu mate abang piatum nangpo lapen eligibility criteria for admission labang kelason lo program labang ke diploma in handloom lapen textile technology laso program atela handloom in diakta diploma in handloom lapen textile technology lapan labang ke admission stage labang ke fresh admission pulte nalitum dak duration mate 3 years analitum dak course pang enang po lapela 3 years akur ningkan ke thom a course nalitum ke NG apan eligibility criteria tame dak pen ke pi pondolo eligibility criteria labang ke 10 pass nangji lapen 10 pass along nalitum 35% marks to nang po 10 exam along lapen nalitum halabang so exam kitok mate ki pia hot English a subject ta kelong duntang nangpo lapen arta langdam lo pulotang te amdeja batum 15 pen 23 years arta tum labang ke labang so course charli dun me lapen SC ST atum phan bangke 15 pen 25 arta atum ans tame labang so course mate lab admission labang ke endun ikme lapen puthot do thulang dak programi diploma in handloom and textile technology upon labang ke admission stage labang ke direct admission into second year third sem under lateral entry scheme lapen nalitum dak admission stage direct admission nalitum direct second year longjong se NG pulotang te dak scheme do under lateral entry scheme pusipupon laso scheme dak ke at pondo lasi labang so course labang ke dak arji ki dingji labang ke ningkan hini an dak tok do nang po mate labang so course pang complete nang po lapen labang so course complete ji phan ka char deng deng kinang ji labang ke class 10 kalte 12 pass nang po lapen mathematics physics chemistry lahai ke do nang ji lapen kali pulote nali tum sul have 10 pass second year course from any recognized institute in textile discipline nang po kali pulote nali tum 10 pass plus HTI pass nang ji lapen aku do thula 10 plus ITI 2 years course in textile technology long ke antang nang pola pen kali pulote dak do thulang 10 12 pass second year ITI shall be eligible from admission into second year diploma course lapen age limit labang ke dak lang dam lo pulote unreserved candidates atum bang ke 25 years anang ji minimum lapen SC ST atum 27 years anang po maximum labang ke lapen puthot do thulang dag note ke top pondo nalitum ko chini nang jila takenang so the a number long ke top pon so nabang ke 20% of total seat allotted to the state reserved for candidates belonging to Weber's community profession shortfall will be made out from the candidates other than Weber's community profession abendak 20% labang ke Weber's community atum profession atum mansidak pathik pilo lapen B number of 10% of total seat allotted to state or reserved for the candidate belonging to economically weaker section mate EWS a candidate atamano lapen number C long ke tokpon dothala reservation of seat for admission for SC, ST, OBC and OBC candidates is concerned to the respective state directorates will follow the prevailing reservation policy of their state. Lapen ason nata dak penaan kita pon do tla lapen nalitum dak kachini nengji labangke lason la dead labangke kemantuan si dak ke apply last date ma labang kanalitum dak pen chini nengji lapen dak last date nalitum dak kipi pondo duly fill up application with the prescribed purpose along with the supporting certificate documents will rest the director Handloom and Textile Assam Ambari Guwahati 761010 on before Lasowachiklo 31st May 2025 as the last deadline. The application submit in any other office under which the directorate will not acceptable. Dapat ka apply nang zila bang kanali tum online si apply nang ikpo online ka apply ya panang litum DTH la so website long damen si online bang apply nang po. Lapen offline na process tame dota hai mine la si offline na process yung sinali tum Clemzy pulutang te bokhet na litum la handloom la pen textile department long dam pen si offline na process bang dak details salam bang arjunang po la si ning kehang atum bang ke na litum jong sa course endun exi pulutang te prabjin pen a course bang endun egon athima dak ke thak pon adim do la bang so sit ma jong na litum non pen apply dun de pulte mo ke asit bang ke long dun de ta thekji la pen la bang so details alo la bang ke nili WhatsApp group la pen Telegram channel long stame pik to dak penali tum download ikon la pen lang pon ikon la pen dak tok podan son do ikon kit dingong ong masini stame details lan bang ke nali tum panang tan pechini pon ik tek derlo asi nali tum la bang so alo lang det pen le nali tum jogdon jis stame jogdon ikon tang tipinia video lang bang la short information na ki wan pi la bang ke la ansor la si domi thakmi kadu kabe Garbitish 2.0 YouTube channel long kilangara do ana panstami nilin pen kardom